And as I told you guys in the previous video, at 29th of March, before we got the big drop after the press release for Genius Brands, and a lot of investors like feel doubtful about the valuation of Genius Brand after the press release. I told you guys at $2.53 we have to actually hold above it in order to actually test the $3, and told you guys to be watch out from this level, and that's what happened at 3rd of March, and that's why we actually went down even to $1.80, and this video at 29th of March. So before we go in the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, daily video update, and so you never actually miss out. So hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update. As always told you guys, never panic, never FOMO, and always hunt for the right price value with me, the Trading Jesus. So without further ado, let's get right to it. As I told you guys in the video before at 29th of March, I told you here, I told you to hold this level at 29th of March. I told you guys to watch out for the $2.53 here exactly. Even with my drawing, I just show you guys here, boom, here at above this green candle, about $2.53. I told you guys we need to hold above this level in order to see the test for the $3. And I show you guys here, I told you that we actually seen a dropping in volume because we did it before. Here we have a big green candle, then we drop in volume, then we have rejection, and I told you the same happened here. Boom, at this candle we have big candle, almost 1 million of volume, then boom, we got rejection at the same day, guys, at 29th March. I told you the volume is not good because it's dropping. We need the increase in volume, not the decrease in volume. And I told you to actually hold here. Be careful if we actually go below here. And guess what? After the news and the hype, a lot of investors felt this Genius Brands is actually overvalued, because even before the press release for the previous press release, the joint venture with Disney with Marvel, it never actually came to be, because everybody have the speculation that the Genius Brand will hit $5, and by today it doesn't hit even $5. We just trading below the $3, and now they actually did another press release about joining with Disney corporation, and they actually, the big investors, this they thought like Genius Brand is overvalued and they want to inflate the stock. That's why with a lot of reason, another reason for, because investors actually have another point of view of the stock, and they see any news they interpret it differently than normal investors. That's why after the press release we got a big jump. As I told you, we actually crossed our level at $2.53, and guess what, we went even past our support that I told you, if we don't even bounce from it, we just dive from it and we don't test it. But we have a really good indication. We just bounce from our 200 AMA, preset it 200 AMA as just for Genius, because it's work really good with Genius Brand. That's why it's bounced exactly at my level at $1.80. And now what we should look for a Genius Brand, from my point of view, my prediction, we need to hold now this level again at $1.80. We don't need to actually go past it. If we just go past it $1.79, there's big chance that we go to $1.57, guys. If we just pass this level, $1.79, again, if we have tomorrow by today, because I do it now is pre-market at the 1st of April, if we just go below, guys, $1.80, 100% 99% actually we're gonna see $1.57. But if we hold, guys, and we have a green candle, there's a big chance that we actually gonna test again the $2.24, and we're gonna see our 21 AMA will coil up, will act as a resistance. We get maybe rejected at here to test. Always the market like to test the price, because as you know, the price will be tested by the investors, and they will test the sentiment from the market, if the market actually set the price value at this level or not. So they will test it. We're gonna see a bit of rejection is normal. We're gonna see a bit of drawdown a bit here, but we don't need to go back below the $2.08 to bounce back again to actually close above the $2.24, and here we'll see a consolidation phase above the $2.24. This is really important, guys, to see a bit of rejection, then consolidation, then actually consolidation above the $2, because now we are below the $1. If we stay too much here, guys, at $1.80 and consolidate, then we test the $1.80. This is not good, because this is mean the price is set it at below the $2, and after the news, after the hype, after this big jump, this is really will take us a bit of buying power, a lot of volume, because now it's 300. We dumped almost, guys, 1,500,000, and then again 700K. So we need at least 2 million, guys, 2 million of share in order to actually go back our level above the $2. So we need a lot of volume to actually test this level. So yeah, we need a big volume, and to gain back the trust of the investor, because a lot of investors feel that GNUS brands are overvalued right now, and that's why we see a bit of sell-off. And that's why I told you we need to hold this level at least, because now we actually trading below the $2. Now the psychological level will be about the $2 first. We're gonna test the $2 first again by today. If we actually go above the $2 is really good, but if we always closing below the $2 at $1.99 and then test the $1.80, big chance that we're gonna see the $1.57 here. Boom. So be careful from this level. This will be our really important level, and I think I will gonna buy in more from me at this level, because this is respected a lot at $1.57. If we get here and we're gonna load here, this is price is really good for a GNUS brand, and it's like you can actually see a bounce from this place again if we actually visited this level. And I can even, if I want to be sure, because sometimes you never know, maybe we go even lower to $1, so I have to protect myself, and I do a bit of risk management, and I just put my stop loss at $1.53 just in case, and I get in at $1 at $1.58. This will be really good for risk to reward, because if I actually get out at this place, I will get at least 35 or 30% gain and 10% loss. So it's really good margin of risk reward for me, and we'll see. So if we actually test this level, because $1.80 is still holding. If we don't hold it, we're gonna go to the $1.57. Here I'm gonna buy. I put my stop limit at $1.37, $1.38, and this is almost 12% loss. and the gain is 45%. This is a really good trade, and always there's a probability for everything. You can actually predict the future, but you can predict the probability of something gonna happen, and that's how you can survive in trading. And as well, if you actually long holder for GNUS, I will just average down at $1.80, and if the price go down, I will average down at $1.57. This is a really good price. I can see it, and there's a big return on your money if the price actually tests the $1.24, because the $1.24 would be the big resistance for GNUS. And still, if you get here at $1.80 and $1.57, is really good return on your money. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video with Trading Jesus. As always told you guys, hunt for the right price value and never FOMO. And at my channel, no editing, no BS, straight to the information, straight to the chart with me. So let's go and see some green and hunt for the price. See you guys in the next video.